Hello, and welcome to The Savvy Miner. You can check out all our tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to disable the automatic requirement that you type your password in when you log in, and then we're going to create a script that automatically locks the screen after it logs in. What this is going to allow you to do is it's going to automatically log you in, it'll lock the screen, and behind the lock screen your miner will start because you have your miner in your startup folder. Let's see how to do that. Alright, in the type here to search box, just type in NETPLWIZ and then click to run that command. That'll open up the user accounts window, and then that little checkbox there, it says user must enter a username and password to use this computer. We want to turn that off, disable that, click apply. It's going to ask you for your current password to make sure you want to make this change. Go ahead and enter your password and hit OK. And then click OK again. Alright, go back to the type here to search window, and this time type in task and select the task scheduler. We're going to use the task scheduler to create a script that will automatically lock the screen once you're logged in. So you're going to go over on the right hand side and select create basic task. And here you can go ahead and give it a name. We creatively called this Lock Workstation. And if you want, you can enter a description so that you can remember what the heck this little script does. And click Next. And now what you want to select is you want to select a trigger when I log on. So select that, hit Next. And on this screen, the action you want it to do is you actually want it to start a program. You can leave that or click the box, the button, if it's not been selected. And here you want to type the following in the program script box here. C:/ Windows /System32 /run dll32.exe. And then in the add argument box, you're also going to type something here. You're going to type user32.dll, comma, space, capital, lock, capital W, workstation. Exactly as it's written, with a capital L, a capital W, and a capital S. And click Next. And then you can go ahead and click Finish. To test this, you can go ahead and restart your computer, and what you should see is your computer should restart, should automatically log you in, and then immediately lock the screen and require your password when you try to unlock the screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of our other tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. And if you found our site particularly helpful, don't hesitate to hit that tip jar on thesavvyminer.com to throw some crypto coin our way to promote future tutorials and videos. Happy mining.